High visibility, main entry road to Lake Hopatcong Business District, next to New Park with ball fields and track. Walk to NJ Transit in landing. Renovated main level, see floor plan. Includes CAM, heat and sewer. Floor plan shows 2 offices. Main entry office offers new carpet and vinyl flooring, lighting and AC, bath. Walk-in storage closet 35 by 25 approximately square foot tandem office access from main office, also has separate front door entry and new private bath, vinyl flooring, double closet, AC mini split. Level parking in front of both entry doors with additional parking around the back. Potential storage area in the finished walkout basement or additional office rental price to be determined. Negotiable terms for length of lease and escalation clause. If build-out is required to fit your needs, landlord will work with you.